Can you tell me your name and date of birth?
Yeah, Margene Roberts.
Margie. Are you in any pain right now?
Yeah, I am.
You are? Can you tell me where that pain is?
It's definitely in my hip.
Now?
No.
No? Any head pain or trouble with your eyes?
Do you mind doing an IV assessment too while you're over there? Yeah, thanks. Tired. So it goes really low and then it'll go really high.
And then it looks like you're not on any blood thinners, so we're gonna call the doctor just because you're at a risk for blood clots, okay? We'll call the doctor.
This is Dr. Smith.
Hi, Dr. Smith. I'm here.
The legs, check the headache, check the blood pressure.
And she is.
See, you know.
We think that she should. She also was requesting a
Oh, yeah,
nicotine
because
patch.
it's
Do you think we
so
could get one of those for too? Okay, so 40 milligrams of enoxaparin, sub-Q.
Well, we had to come back after
Yes,
that first one.
wonderful thing.